Hey everyone! Today let's dive into the world of water softeners and uncover some hidden truths you need to know. First off, water softeners, also known as ion exchange units, help create better tasting water by removing hard minerals like calcium and magnesium and replacing them with sodium or potassium. This means cleaner dishes and clothes since softened water mixes better with soaps and detergents, leaving everything spotless and brighter. Plus, your skin and hair will thank you as soft water is gentler, making them feel softer and shinier. Now, let's talk about those longer-lasting appliances. Water softeners prevent mineral buildup that can damage appliances like dishwashers, washing machines, and hot water heaters, extending their lifespan and saving you money on repairs and replacements. But wait, there's more to consider. While water softeners remove calcium and magnesium, which are essential for bone health and other bodily functions, they replace them with sodium or potassium. This can be a concern for those needing to monitor their sodium intake, especially if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or kidney disease. Too much sodium can be harmful, while most people should aim for adequate potassium to counterbalance sodium's effects. So you have several things to think about. The regeneration process of water softeners discharges brine. And don't forget, these units need regular maintenance to keep them running efficiently. So, is a water softener right for your home? Weigh the benefits like cleaner water and longer-lasting appliances against the drawbacks for some like such health concerns. If you're worried, consider alternatives like water conditioners that can address hardness without some of these risks. Thanks for tuning in. For more tips on home repairs and appliances, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a great day and take care.